Hi guys, welcome back to the thunderlaser workshop. Do you want industrial horsepower without the industrial headache? This is exactly what the Nova Plus series gives you. In our last video, we covered its RF tube and cooling system. Today, we are diving deep into the Nova Plus pro-grade power, ultra-speed precision, different lens options, smart safety features, and real-world upgrades that make a big difference. The Nova Plus machines support 4 lenses tube sizes, 1.5 to 2.5 and 4 inches, each one tailored for different jobs. With the 2.5 inches lens, you get up to 1000 DPI. And with the 1.5 lens, you get up to 2000 DPI. And for sure, this is very user-friendly to swap between the different lenses tube. So the lens swapping process is such user-friendly. Just have to release the screw here, remove the laser head, like this. I take the new one, and same. Screw it in the autofocus cone, and just after, put it back, and screw it. That's all. Finish. Less than 30 seconds, such easy. So do you need precision? Let's see on a live example how the combination of the lenses and the RF laser tube just give outstanding result for precision point of view. Need speed? The Nova Plus hits 1002 mm per second in raster mode. More throughput with no quality loss. Whether you're engraving coasters, panel, or production batches, that kind of speed unlocks serious time savings. Every Nova Plus machine are equipped with the dual air system, which allows adjustable airflow for engraving, cutting, and ensure an ultra smooth and precise engraving while having clean-cut edges on the material at the same time. 2 independent channels, high pressure for cutting and low pressure for engraving. And thanks to this button, you can just fine-tune the air blow to get the best result upon your high request. And with the air pressure detection, Nova Plus will auto-pause if the pressure drops, keeping your lens safe and preventing fire hazard. Every machine from the Nova Plus series offers 2 ways of focusing. First, the upgraded cold hand touch autofocus delivers hand-free, ultra-accurate focus. And for special cases like soft material, laser, and so on, use the manual fixed focus stick for full control. Both modes help reduce setup time and ensure you're always at the perfect focal distance for any material. And so, here is Nova Plus 5MP camera preview your material inside LaserMaker. You see exactly where your job lands, no guesswork. It's simple but powerful tool that minimizes setup errors and lets you focus on design, not alignment. The job run through LaserMaker, precise, intuitive, and designed for creator. You see exactly what you will get before hitting go. Just have to put your design on the top, on the part that you want to engrave and cut, and that's all. It gives you confidence before hitting start. You see truly what you will get. So, as you can see, the Nova Plus series machines are built for serious users, designed to handle your most ambitious projects. From RF power to pinpoint control, these machines give you everything you need to succeed. Unmatched precision, lightning fast, built for safety, and especially designed for you. It's not just a machine, it's a tool that grows with your ambition. With the Nova Plus, you can expand your skill set, diversify your product line, and build confidence. All with one powerful and reliable machine. Precision, power, speed. This is the Nova Plus series. Just let's take your project to the next level. So in the next video, we will dive into the accessories of the Nova Plus, how to use the rotary and perform a wonderful sample. So stay tuned, subscribe, and see you soon.